Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Jerry with the Relaxed Garden, and this morning I am remulching an area. I don't know what happened, but maybe it's a little mounded in this area, but with all the rain we've had, the mulch has kind of washed away from this particular area, and I just need to readdress it. And I don't know, because of that, maybe it's too much water, maybe not enough. I don't know. The lamb's ear that I had planted over here it's not doing well. It just does not look good. So, I mean, it looks really, really bad. I don't know if I need to take it out. It is literally just, it does not look good at all. It is struggling and it looks really bad. I'd rather just take it out rather than just have it there in the ground struggling. I think struggling plants, sick plants, attract bugs and stuff, and I don't want that in the ground. So, taking my glasses off, and we are going to start. I'm going to start mulching. Give me 1 minute. I forgot something. Let me step out of the camera for just a minute. I thought I'd get out there and start working before the sun starts blazing down on us. So yeah, that's that. So I think I am going to dig some of these things out. I just don't understand why, but they look awful. I don't get it. I don't know what the issue is. Yeah, they're coming out. I don't know. I don't know why. I'd rather just take it out and not deal with it. It's unfortunate. I like lamb's ear, but if it's not, I don't need it if it's not going to thrive. I don't need struggling plants. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's that. It's a shame, but it is what it is. Clean up some of these daylily leaves. They looked great, but yeah, it's. Oh, come on. What are these? Well, you get in here and start working, you find a bunch of weeds. Okay. This crate, everything looks good. Everything is looking really, really good. Again, with the exception of those lamb's ear, I just don't understand that. But whatever, it is what it is. I'm not going to worry about it. They just have to come out. Okay, let me see if there's anything else I need to. Yeah, look at this lamb's ear over here. I don't know. Everything else looks great with the exception of the lamb's ear. This one is completely died back. I don't know. I can't worry about it. All right. I know it makes me want to put something else there, but I'm not going to. It's, you've heard me say over and over again, it's a little too late to start planting. For me, it is. Anything else? I think that's it. There's a lamb's ear right here that looks pretty good. I guess I'll leave it. See, the thing is, they looked better. And then all of a sudden, they started looking really, really bad. Now, we've had a lot of rain. Maybe that's it. I don't know. And the rain's not going to stop. We're supposed to get a lot of rain this coming week, so I don't know what to tell you. Lamb's ear, you got to step up and do your thing. Or don't. Okay, I'm tired of this. All right. Okay. Actually, it looks so much better already. You know, look at that. Oh yeah, it looks so much better already. Oh yeah. So much better. All right. Look at that. Now, you know what? I am making an executive decision. I am pulling out this lamb's ear. I'm not going to leave it. It looks bad. And in my, yeah, it just, and I'm just judging it. I'm basing that judgment against the way it looked before. Prior, not that long ago, it looked great. And then all of a sudden, it started looking really bad. I've grown lamb's ear before. It's fine with our heat, so it can't be that. So I don't know, whatever. It's done. You know, the way I see it is, you've got, well, as far as I'm concerned, you've got to thrive. I don't have time to babysit plants. I don't. All right. This salvia back here is oh my gosh, it looks so good. I had to cut it back. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna look so much better. Okay, let's. All right, that looks so much better. Yeah, it is not that hot yet, but it is going to be hot. It's so humid out here. Wow, that looks good. Let me get over here and look at these orange. I'm gonna throw some mulch in here. Why not? There we go. This orange sky salvia that I like so much. It looks really good. Okay. Let me fill this bucket up with some more mulch. Get this whole area done. You know. There we go. Maybe, you know, I think I messed up. Earlier, if you remember, I put in some Dusty Miller back here. I think I'm going to dig those up. I know, here we go. And I'm going to place them back there where I pulled the lamb's ear out of. This has grown so fast. Oh, shoot. This has grown so fast that when I planted these Dusty Miller, it was full back here, but not as lush as it is now. I'm not complaining, though. That's a good problem to have. You know what I mean? It could be worse. All right. So where would this... I think I'm going to plant this right here. right here. Yeah, this will look good. So yeah, we're supposed to be getting tons of rain today. This has been a crazy, well, it's not spring anymore, but it's been so wet, which has been, well, it's a good thing, but just a little unusual. Hurricane season has started. I don't know if any of you have to deal with or worry about hurricane season, but it certainly means something in Houston, that's for sure. On the Gulf Coast, we're not that far from the Gulf of Mexico. We're about 50 miles away. So it is, yeah, Galveston's not far away, about maybe an hour in heavy traffic. If you like driving a little faster, you can get there about 45 minutes, 40 minutes. But yeah. Okay. You know what? This is not just a mulching video, it's a little maintenance. All these weeds just pop up. There is that. Can we get back? Oh my goodness. Well, this, I'm not planning on doing all this, but I'm doing it, right? That's what happens. You come out here to do one thing and you wind up doing something completely different. Where, oh, I can't even see where these are coming out of. There we go. So anyway, wow, okay, I'm gonna stop here because I could be back here in this corner all day long. Nobody wants to see me hunched over in a corner. So there we go. Ah, that looks so much better. It looks so much better already. Let me get this done. Oh, I know. I need to get some stepping stones back here. All right. Yeah, these orange sky salvia are looking really, really good. Oh, let's get this. What's the? Oh yeah. Wow. Something is eating up this rose bush. This rose bush. Oh, my back. Yeah, I need to treat that rose bush. I need to get some spray. It already had that BT for the cannas, so I need to use it on this rose bush as well. Let's come over here. Oh, shoot. All right. Well, actually, I'm so happy with that. It looks so much better. Number one, it looks so much better that I pulled those struggling, look at me, look a mess. It looks so much better that I pulled out those struggling Dusty Miller. That was really sad. I don't know what that issue was. I've grown them before. They looked great. They've done well. They've even overwintered for me. And that back in, I think it was 2022 when Texas had that week-long deep freeze when we were like 9 degrees for an entire week and it snowed and then we had an ice storm. Everything died back. I have to tell you though, that following spring, even my agapanthus came back. So agapanthus may act as a perennial in some places. Push the envelope. You know, buy a couple, put them in the ground, get them rooted in before your winter starts, well rooted in, and see if they grow back. You know, protect them that first winter, cover them up, but you know, once they have a whole year under, you know, a whole year growing and rooting themselves in, they just might act as a perennial. Mine did. And I only lost a couple of things during that Texas deep freeze. And the one thing I can tell you, everything that came back from that freeze, everything that sprouted, oh, sweat in my eye, everything that grew back after that freeze in the spring, I had everything flushed out with blooms. Everything grew back beautifully and flushed out with blooms like you cannot imagine. Everything was beautiful after that freeze, if it made it. And most things made it. So there, that looks pretty good. So I can, let me get rid of all this mess. The yard guys haven't come to cut the grass. I don't have a lawnmower. I need a lawnmower. But just, it's rained so much. Like, yeah, everyone's like, but Houston gets, it rains a lot in Houston. Yeah, it rains a lot in Houston, but it has rained more than a lot. And it's good rain. It didn't all come at one time. So there's been zero flooding, which is awesome. But every single day it has rained. I'm not complaining about it. So everything looks so good. But anyway, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Well, guys, thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today in the garden. I appreciate you spending time with me. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart. I think there's some hearts and something. And share this video with anybody you know that likes gardening videos. And subscribe if you like this content. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending time with me. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.